Assalamualaikum and good morning. We are from Group B. We present about our project, Intelligent Traffic Controller for BEL 2135. I would like to introduce to my team members, Rafiq Ramli, myself, SHAHLAN MIZAN, ARIF AIZUDDIN, and RAZIN NAZRI. About our project is to create an intelligent traffic controller. It should have two signals, which is traffic light for cars that works on a timer, and traffic for pedestrian that turns on when people are present. We use an interrupt technique to switch smoothly between the two signals. This is our coding for the project. Hashtag include is the header file for PIC 18F4550 because we're using microcontroller PIC 18F4550 for this project in 40s. Hashtag use delay clock 20 MHz is a clock frequency of the microcontroller. Hashtag fuses is sets the configuration fuses for the microcontroller. Hashtag byte port D, B, A, C, and E is to activate the ports to use for input or output. INT number is to define an array that stores the 7-segment display. 0x6f display number 0, 0x7f display number 1, 0x07 display number 2, 0x7d display number 3, 0x6d display number 4, 0x66 display number 5, 0x4f display number 6, 0x5b display number 7, 0x06 display number 8, and 0x3f display number 9. INT q is to declare as variable q. Void display number is a function that displays the value from number array to the 7-segment display. Void main is where the execute program begins. Set trace B, set trace D, set trace A, and set trace C is set the port for output. Set trace E is set the port for input, and port A is set the port for input also.
Hello, my name is ARIF AZMAN. Now I will talk about the coding in while. If input pin E is be using the pin E for push button, then the port A, the first port A is for the 7-segment. Port C is for the third and the fourth traffic light, will be orange, and then port B is the first and second traffic light will be orange. For output high pin B7 and output low pin B6 is for our pedestrian light. That means it's still red, and then it has 800 millisecond. After that, for C, the third and the fourth traffic light will be red. For port B, the first and the second traffic light will be red also. After that, the traffic light for pedestrian will turn green. After it will turn green, the 7-segment will initiate the countdown from 9 to 0. The display number we use for it is port D, and has delay millisecond for 200. This is our cycle for the pedestrian if we interrupt the traffic light. Now I will talk about the first traffic light coding. So for port A, 001 indicate for the traffic light is in red condition, and then the for I0, I10 is for the countdown for the 7-segment. Port B is the coding is the first traffic light will be green and the second traffic light will be red. For the port C, the third and the fourth traffic light will be red. The output high and output low, B7 and B6 is indicate for the pedestrian in red color. And then the display number used for the segment is port D. And then we have we using delay 100 millisecond. After that, port B 0S0A is delay for our yellow light for the first traffic light, and port B is we go red first, the first traffic light, and then it will go green to the second traffic light, and then we're using 800 millisecond delay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NAZRI bin RAZIHAR, and for my particular part in this presentation, I will be explaining the rest of the programming for this project segment. So without further ado, let's begin. So port A will represent the 7-segment, and port B will represent the traffic light 1 and 2. So after the 7-segment is activated, the countdown sequence will start from 9 to 0. After the countdown sequence is finished, port B, which is represent as traffic light 1 and 2, will get activated. In between those sequence, there has a delay, which is 1 second delay. After that, port B, which is traffic light 1 and 2, will switch off. After that, traffic light 1 and 2 will showing orange light indicator for 10 seconds. After that, after finish those 10 seconds delay, both of them, traffic light 1 and 2, will changing their states from showing the orange light indicator to showing red light indicator for 8 seconds. So after that, still the same. Port A still represent as the 7 segment sequence, the 7 segment, and port C and port B represent the traffic light itself, which is port C represent the traffic light 3 and 4. After this sequence, after the 7 segment is activated, the countdown sequence will begin starting from 9 to 0. After finish the sequence, the state will change. So before the changing state, there will be 1 second delay. So the traffic light 3 and 4 will be showing orange light indicator for 10 seconds, and after that, both of them, traffic light 1 and 2, will changing the state from showing showing orange light indicator to showing red light indicator for 8 seconds. So after the 7 segment sequence, after the 7 segment is activated, the countdown sequence will begins, which is still the same, starting from 9 to 0. After that, there will be changing states. So in between those changing state, there will be 1 second delay. So after finish that 1 second delay, traffic light 3 and 4 will showing orange light indicator for 10 seconds. And after that, will be the traffic light 3 and 4 will changing the state from showing red light indicator for 10 seconds, will be changing to showing red light indicator.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rafiq bin Ramli, and now I will present about the result about our project, which is traffic light system controller. So our traffic light is divided by two signal, which is traffic light signal for vehicle and pedestrian signal for the pedestrian. Now I will present about firstly about traffic light for vehicle first. When I press the run button, so the traffic light first will turn green simultaneously with countdown start from 9 to 10, to 0. And when the traffic light first is running, the other traffic light will stay red and the countdown will stay off. And will turn yellow and then go to red for a delay for 1 second, and it will return traffic light 2 will start running. When the traffic light for vehicle is running, all the pedestrians will stay red signal because nobody is pressing the pedestrian button, so it will stay red. The traffic light second will turn green, and traffic light first will off the countdown and turn the red on. Turn red, turn yellow, and turn red for 1 second. And then go to the traffic light. And the last traffic light will run simultaneously with the countdown from 9 to 0 again, and will repeat the sequence to the traffic light 1 back when the traffic light 4 finish the countdown. So you see, we go to the traffic light 1 back, and it will repeat until the pedestrian button is pressed. Right now, I will show you how the press button for pedestrian will interrupt the traffic light for vehicle signal. This is so I will show you the simulation when we press the push button for pedestrian. So after the second traffic light, which is the fourth traffic light, all the traffic light vehicle will turn red and all the pedestrian signal will turn green. As you can see, Now push button is already pressed. Come to the 0 and then the yellow color will come up. So this is how the interrupt. So all the traffic light will turn yellow and then all the traffic light will turn red and the pedestrian signal will turn green with the countdown will start 9 to 0. As you can see, all the traffic light vehicle will stop and the pedestrian can walk simultaneously. And after that, it will repeat the sequence back to traffic light 1 until the traffic light 4. So that's all for our group presentation. Thank you for watching.